This is an introduction to the Teton Sports Hydration Backpacks. Because hydration is essential when you're enjoying the outdoors, we built this great line of hydration backpacks for all your day-long adventures. Our hydration backpacks come in a wide variety of colors and sizes. The smallest sizes include a 2-liter hydration bladder, and the largest size has a 3-liter bladder for long adventures. The Trail Runner 2.0 and the Oasis 1100 include a 2-liter hydration bladder, and the Oasis 1200 comes with a 3-liter bladder. Each have large openings to make cleaning easy. You'll want to wash your bladder before your first use. Rinse out your bladder with lemon juice or mild soap and warm water to remove any residues. Then let your bladder dry completely before reassembling it. You may need to prop the bladder open with paper towels to allow it to dry completely. Once it is dry, reassemble it. Be sure to tighten the hose at the base of the bladder. The O-ring gasket needs to sit down into the receiver so it can seal properly. This will prevent leaking. The kink-free sip tube is lightweight but durable, and the cushioned bite valve is easy to open or close. Simply pull the mouthpiece to open it and push it closed when you're done drinking. To lengthen the life of your hydration bladder, use only water in the bladder. Acidic juices, alcohol, or milk will promote bacteria growth and corrosion. This bladder should not be exposed to temperatures over 120 degrees Fahrenheit or under 0 degrees Fahrenheit. After every use, thoroughly clean the bladder, tube, and valve with mild antibacterial detergent. Avoid prolonged exposure to UV light, and keep your bladder away from sharp objects. The Teton Sports Hydration Backpack, like all Teton Sports products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty, which is our promise that you can count on us. If you ever have any issues, please reach out to our awesome customer service team and we'll get you back outdoors and on the trail. And that's an introduction to the Teton Sports Hydration Backpacks. Get outdoors and enjoy life.